Is your MacBook getting so hot it feels like a heater? Don't ignore it. This can slow down your system and damage your battery. Let's fix it right now. Welcome back to TechVibes, your go-to place for quick and powerful tech fixes. MacBooks usually overheat because of heavy apps running in the background, poor airflow, or outdated system settings. Sometimes it is just one hidden process eating up all your CPU power. Step 1. Check and stop heavy background apps. Open Activity Monitor and look at the CPU tab. Find any app using too much power. If something looks unusual, select it and close it. This instantly reduces heat. Step 2. Fix your startup and background processes. Too many apps starting automatically can overload your system. Go to your login items and disable unnecessary apps. This helps your MacBook breathe better and run cooler. Step 3. Improve airflow and cooling. Never use your MacBook on a bed or soft surface. Always keep it on a flat, hard surface like a desk. If possible, slightly elevate the back. This improves airflow and reduces heat quickly. Step 4. Reduce system load from settings. Lower your screen brightness a bit. Turn off unused features like Bluetooth or AirDrop when not needed. Also, close unused browser tabs, especially Chrome tabs because they consume a lot of power. Step 5. Update your macOS and apps. Outdated software can cause overheating issues. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Make sure your system and apps are always up to date. Step 6. Reset system management controls. If your MacBook is still overheating, resetting the system controller can help fix fan and power issues. This step often solves hidden overheating problems. Step 7. Clean dust and vents. Over time, dust blocks airflow inside your MacBook. If you have never cleaned it, this could be the main reason. Use compressed air carefully or get it professionally cleaned. Pro tip. Use a lightweight browser like Safari instead of Chrome for daily use. It uses less power and keeps your MacBook cooler. Also avoid charging while doing heavy tasks like video editing or gaming. If your MacBook still gets hot after all these fixes, it might be a hardware issue. In that case, get it checked before it gets worse. If you face any problem while trying these steps, drop a comment below. I will reply within 1 hour and help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more fast and reliable tech fixes. Stay cool and keep your tech running smooth.